Loading labels into your Shop for Shops one-line pricing gun. There are a range of labels available including blank white set, best before, sale, use by, and blank fluoro colors. See our website or catalogue for more details. Start by opening the label case on top of the gun. Next, push the locks on both sides of the bottom of the gun to open the back plate, and also open the base plate. Start by removing labels from the first 10 centimeters of the roll. Place the new roll of labels in the top of the gun, and thread labels through the gun, making sure they go in the slot in front of the roller. Have about 10 centimeters of labels come out of the bottom of the gun. Fold the labels over the base plate, making sure the labels go over the pin in the fee roller. Close the base plate. It'll go click. Congratulations, you've now successfully changed labels. If you need help changing the ink roller, please check out the separate video.